we will study about the classification of chordata. Here, phylum chordata is the 11th number phylum, last phylum in the kingdom Animalia, and it is the highly evolved group of animals among all. Okay. Phylum chordata subdivided into vertebrata. Actually, phylum chordata have three subphyla. तीन सबफाइला आहेत कुठले कुठले वन इज यूरोकॉर्डेटा cephalochordata and vertebrata. Means here all the animals have a vertebral column. Okay. Then it has a group. Vertebrata have different classes: Pisces, amphibia, reptilia, eos, birds, and then mammalia. We belongs to class mammalia, having basic characters like presence of mammary gland, presence of body hairs, then external ears, that is called pinna, pinni. Okay. In this way, mammals possess these three characters. Then eutheria. Class Mammalia have three subclasses. One, Prototheria, egg-laying mammals, Echidna, duckbill platypus. Then Metatheria. Metatheria means marsupials, group of kangaroos. Pouched mammals, egg-laying mammals, Prototheria. Pouched mammals, Metatheria. And then all true placental mammals, they have a true placenta called Eutheria. Okay, means they bear these are the group of placental mammals. Okay, then order, a highly evolved group of animals order, that is Primata. All mammals divided into two groups broadly. One is Primata, big order, having highly evolved mammals, and lower mammals have non-chordata. Okay. Then order Primata have two suborders. One order Prosimi, another is order Anthropoidea, okay, or anthropoids. Here Prosimi bears or contains group of arboreal animals, mostly mammals. They are called lemurs, tarsiers, and lorises. If we if we distinguish them in character level, then lemurs and tarsiers have some basic differences that by which we can identify them. They have a small size. Lemurs have a small size. Comparatively, tarsiers are big size. Then eyes large. Both have large eyes, but they have facing front eyes. But here their eyes are like this higher group, Anthropoidea, like means forward facing eyes and binocular vision, true binocular vision, means both the eyes directed on one object, not on two different objects. Eyes large facing in front, eyes large forward, but binocular vision, as like the higher organism. Then limbs with no adhesive pads, but here tarsiers have limbs with adhesive pads. That is why they can remain better. Advanced character is there. They can remain better to the any substratum by their adhesive pads. Tail is long and bushy. Here tail is long but non-bushy, means more hairy, less hairy. Then lives in Madagascar. Their native place Madagascar island, and these are found in East Indies, West Indies, East Indies, not in West Indies. Now, another second suborder is Anthropoidea or anthropoids. Anthropoids include three higher mammal animals, three higher groups of mammal animals, particularly monkeys, apes, and human beings. Then they are divided into three groups. Anthropoidea divided into Seboidea, Cercopithecoidea, and then Homonoidea. Homonoidea includes apes and man. Apes and man. Monkeys are different. They are less evolved as compared to apes and human being, and that is why, because apes have more common characters like human being. That is why they are grouped into a common group, Homonoidea. Here, the group of monkeys, here, Seboidea and Cercopithecoidea have some distinct features. Seboidea contains a flat nose, their nose is flat, but Cercopithecoidea have narrow nose, their nose are not broad, they are narrow. Then they bear 36 teeth, while they have 32 teeth, as like this group, human-like. Then they have a long tail comparatively, and they have a short tail. Okay. Seboidea group is called New World monkeys, as they found in Southeast America, New World. Then Cercopithecoidea found in Asia, Africa. It is the Old World. That is why also popularly known as Old World monkeys. Okay. Then examples of Seboidea is spider monkeys, squirrel monkeys. They are small size monkeys with a long tail comparatively, there as compared to their body size. And here Old World monkeys have baboons, macaque monkeys, and then langurs. Then thereafter, a very highly evolved group of animals belongs to group Homonoidea. They are also called great apes because their size is greater than the size of New and Old World monkeys. Okay. They are tailors, almost they have a tail. Then includes apes and human. Again, first two groups of apes. Apes are divided on their morphological and habitat basis. Homonoidea have again three subgroups. These are the families. First is a Halobatidae family, then Pongidae family, and then Hominidae family. Halobatidae family have small size arboreal apes, means the apes have a small size, but they live on the trees. Arboreal means tree dwellers. They live on the trees. Small size arboreal apes. Gibbons. Examples: gibbons are small size and mostly found on the trees. Then Pongidae have a great size apes. They are large size, subarboreal. For shorter period, they can live on the trees, but mostly they spend their time on the land as compared to trees. But they spend more time on the trees than land. That is why they are subarboreal. Only for sometimes they go and live on the trees. That is why, because of their large size, it is not feasible to live on the trees. They have a small size. That is why they can live on the trees. That is convenient for them. Large size subarboreal apes includes famous group of organisms: apes, gorilla, chimpanzees, and orangutans. Okay. Then last family is the family of purely human beings, primitive man and modern man. Hominidae. Homo is a genus. All types of homogeneous belongs to Hominidae. Basic human features, characteristics are there. Then they have erect posture as compared to the chimpanzees and congeries. Erect posture and human beings means semi-erect or erect posture is very common here. Higher modern man and primitive man, most of the primitive man are having erect posture. That is why these are some features, and they are highly evolved animals on the earth.